Little Angel Preschool, Nalasopara West, Standard, Junior KG, Subject Maths Primer, Topic Join the dots from 36 to 40 to complete the board and color it. Hello students, how are you all? Students, take your Maths Primer book, open to page number 58. Now students, here there are two topics given. First is join the dots from 36 to 40 to complete the board and color it. And second is write the missing number. So children, we will first do the first activity. That is join the dots from the number 36 to number 40 to complete the boat and color it. Now children, here you all can see the picture of boat. It is incomplete. We have to complete by joining the dots. So let's start. Now children, here it is given. We have to start from number 36. Now see, from number 36, after 36 which number comes? 37. So let's draw a line. 37. Okay. Now 38. After 37 number 38. Very good. After 38, 39. Very good. And after 39, number 40. Did you understand? See, here we complete our board. Yes. Now next what we have to do? We have to color. To color what we are going to use? Crayon colors. Come on, let's take your crayon colors. Now children, you can take any color of your choice. Okay, I have taken orange color. Okay, and now I'm going to start coloring. Color nicely and carefully. You see that color does not go out. Okay, color it nicely. Now let's color the other side. I have taken blue color. Same way, you don't have to bring the color out. You have to color inside nicely. Okay. Now see children, here we complete coloring these two parts. Okay. Now we have to color the down part. Now let's take the color of your choice. Children, I have taken green color. Come on, let's start coloring. How we are going to color? Slowly. Okay. You see that color does not go out. It should be inside. Nicely you should color it. Don't be in hurry of coloring. Color it slowly and nicely. See children, here we finished coloring the boat. Okay. See. Like this you have to color it. Now let's see the next topic. What is it? Write the missing numbers. Okay. Now first number is given. Which number is given? 36. Now after 36 which number is missing? 37. So you have to write number 37. After 37, 38. After 38, 39. And then after 39 which number is missing? 40. Understood children? So you have to complete this topic in your maths primer book. Okay children? Now children, you have to complete your homework in your maths primer book, page number 61. Topic: color the shapes as per the given color code. Do not forget to color the river and sky. Thank you.